Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create automatic employee data form. As you see here, for example, I have these options, automatically you can select it. I have this names. If I just click submit, directly the data save it in a database. Just click submit. You see, name, save it here. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Select second cell on B2. Employee data form. Okay, then the cell employee name, the cell employee ID, then Gmail, department, date of birth. Okay, then from here, basic salary, then convenience, accommodation, medical, and for example, net payment and gender. Okay, just I added this option. Maybe you need more option or less option, but the procedure is the same. Now just merge and center these cells. From home, merge and center. Add background or fill color to be this one. Select it, this dark green, and color to white, bold, and I selected 16. Then adjust the width for this cell also. Adjust width for this cell. Great. Now I make it bold. Okay. Now I want to add fill color to entry cells. This one, I select this fill color. Also, I add outside border. You see? Outside border. Now double click on Format Painter, add to here. Okay. This one. Great. Now click ESC. Then I want to change format for these cells to be numerical. Select this one, then hold Control, select this one. Okay, then right click, format cells, number, use 1000 separator, no decimal place. Okay, this one is date of birth, so select it from general, select short date. Good. Here I have gender, click the cell, then from data validation, select list, write male or female. Okay, now a triangle appears here. You can select male or female. For department also we do the same. Select it, data validation, list, for example, engineer, and so on. Just okay, again a small triangle appears here. If you click it, all option we have. For example, if I click this triangle, all option I have. For example, I selected engineer. Good. Now I want to select all by this triangle, then hold Control and deselect these cells. Okay, then from fill color, select this color. You see? Now just from view, uncheck grid lines. Now it appears more professional. I just want to adjust the width. Good. Now it is so good. Make it to from home, make it to center. Good. Now select this data, Control C, paste it here. Right click, paste it as value. Okay. This one also, Control C, right click as value. Okay. Now I want to remove gap. How we can do it? Just select all. Then from data, here we have filter, click it. Then we have a small triangle, click it. Deselect all, just select it blank. Okay. You see we have blue rows. Select all blue row, right click, delete. Now uncheck filter. You see the gap of remove it. Good. Now just select employee name equal to this one. Okay. Now for example, I put a name reward M. Let's see. Directly name written here. For this one, do the same. For this one also. Employee ID equal to this one. This one Gmail equal to Gmail. Date of birth equal to date of birth. You see, date of birth appears like this because it's a date format. Gender equal to net payment equal to net payment. Just I want to add a formula for net payment. Net payment equal to this one plus this one plus or plus this one minus this one. It is up to you according to your salary. Just enter. Great. I want to add another sheet. Rename the sheet, this first sheet. For example, I renamed it as form. This one, select it, rename database. It's up to you. Okay. Now come to here, copy this text, Control C, come back to here. From the cell, right click, paste special, value, transpose. Okay. Good. Now select this, adjust width. It's too much. Okay. Gmail need to be more. Gmail and make it from home, make it bold and 12, center and center. Also add fill color. For example, I select this color and white. This color is not so good. This one, center, it's good. Select these cells, basic salary, and change it to number. Also, date of birth, this one to short date. Okay, now let's add data. Okay, now I have data. Now from developer, if you have developer, it's okay. If you don't have developer, put cursor and right click, customize ribbon, check developer. Okay. Now just record macro. Name it employee data. Okay, now the macro records my steps. Just I come to here, click this one, home, insert sheet rows. From this one, format same as below. Then come to form, select this data, Control C, database, click here, right click, paste special, values, transpose, okay. Now I put the data here. Then I come to form, delete all. Don't delete this one because I formulated this. Now, stop macro. Here, stop macro. The process is saved in macro. I just need a button. Here, insert this button. Okay. Connect it to this employee data. Okay. Name it. Submit. Good. If you want to change its location, just hold Control and select it. Then you can move. Good. Now insert data. For example, okay. Now, if I check database, I have only one employee. If I come to form and click submit, directly this data, save it in the database. Just click it. Let's check database. You see, Marco name is saved here. For example, you want to save this sheet, just from file, save as. For example, in desktop, make sure you save it as in Excel micro enabled, entry data form. Save. Now the file is saved. Select this one and from view, good. For example, you want to protect it, your sheet, just select this one, control, select it, and select this one, also this one, okay. Also, then right click, format cells, protection, uncheck lock it, okay. Now, from review, protect sheet, insert the password, okay. Re-enter the password, okay. Now, no one can change this here. For example, I want to change, directly an error pop up. But here you can add, for example, you can change everything for these cells. That's all. Have a nice time.